So hi, Amy.
Hi.
Thank you very much. Thanks for giving us this review.
Okay.
So first, let me ask you, how did you hear about Echo Cleaning Pro?
I saw you on Nextdoor.
Oh, next door.
Yeah.
Okay, so what make you pick us?
Because I have been wanting to have the house deep cleaned, and you got good reviews from people in the neighborhood, so I just took a chance.
Well, thank you very much. And now that you've taken a chance, what do you think?
You did a very good job.
Oh, thank
very
you.
much.
What is it that we did that you like the most?
Well, I mean, you really were thorough and really very concerned about making me happy. So everything that, anything I pointed out that I didn't think was done, absolutely fixed. So, so I thank you, because I'm not the most particular person, but I mean, you were very good about, even when I pointed out little things about fixing them. So
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We're not going to take any more of your time.
Okay.
What I like to ask you is it your first time having echo cleaning?
Yes.
Green cleaning?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think about this green cleaning? Because I mean, you don't smell anything.
No, that's exactly it. Yeah, you don't smell any cleaning products. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So
Yeah.
and it cleaned everything. Everything came out great.
Yes. Yes.
Well, thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
And you can see the house looks clean, but it was a total disaster beforehand, so they couldn't see the before.
We're gonna keep that. We're not gonna show that.
But it's very clean.
Thank you very much.
you.
Thank you very
Okay.
much. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.